This is at Harborside. And the B. Whoa. There's a view of Milwaukee. North car, south car. Dewhurst panel. This is the stopping at 12. Going down?
Yeah, though I don't want to squish you with things.
You got room, I think.
Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, thanks. Thank you.
This is for a project.
Oh, okay. Like otherwise, there's some burglars scoping out the place.
Oh yeah, actually no, I
So now
need this
that-
specific elevator panel,
Oh.
and I'm just taking pictures so I know how to snatch it.
Is it timing you're looking at?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Well, because you live in this building, right?
Oh no, my friend does.
Oh, he's both. This elevator's slower, but that one's faster, so
Oh,
timing
really?
matters.
That
Yeah.
is true. And it's super
Interesting.
annoying. Even though when it reaches, it's way like
Yeah. When it
couple
reaches the
seconds
floor,
to
it's
open
like
it.
Oh yeah, no, this one was
it-
like that
yeah,
too.
and that one just bam,
That's right.
bam.
Oh really? It doesn't
Yeah.
have that delay.
I think it's because the motors got changed on that one.
Makes sense. Yeah, it takes its time.
like 1, 2, 3.
You can go first. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're gonna get back in.
No, I'm just getting the shot of the door closing.
Oh, okay.
You have a good one.
You too.
And there it goes, if it does even. No, it's just gonna sit there. That's it.